Hello and welcome to the show. Today we're diving into the world of clean energy, specifically looking at proton exchange membrane fuel cells, or PEMFCs. These are exciting technologies, especially for things like electric vehicles and clean power generation, because they're highly efficient and produce zero emissions. Just water. But there's a catch, and it's a big one: durability and cost. At the heart of these fuel cells are catalysts, usually made from expensive platinum group metals like platinum itself. These catalysts are essential. They make the chemical reactions happen. The problem is, the inside of a fuel cell is a tough place to be: acidic, humid, with changing electrical conditions. This harsh environment causes the catalysts to degrade over time. What does this degradation look like? Well, a few things happen. The tiny platinum particles can dissolve and move around, or they clump together into bigger particles. Either way, you lose surface area where the reactions happen, and the fuel cell's performance drops. Also, the carbon material used to support these platinum particles can corrode, especially under high voltages. This corrosion makes the platinum fall off, breaks down the catalyst layer structure, and further hurts performance and lifespan. Sometimes, impurities in the fuel or air can also stick to the catalyst, blocking reaction sites. That's called poisoning. So, the big challenge is making these catalysts last longer and cost less. Thankfully, scientists and engineers are making real progress with some clever strategies. One major approach is improving the platinum-based catalysts themselves. Instead of pure platinum, they're creating alloys, mixing platinum with metals like cobalt, nickel, or even using complex combinations called high-entropy alloys. These alloys can be more stable and active. They're also getting creative with the shape and structure of the catalyst particles. Think tiny nanowires or core shell designs where a platinum layer covers a cheaper core. A really exciting recent development involves embedding stabilizing elements, like cobalt oxide clusters, inside the platinum structure. This acts like an internal scaffold, holding the platinum atoms in place, drastically reducing degradation and potentially extending fuel cell lifetimes significantly. Another key area is protecting the catalyst and improving its support structure. Researchers are developing protective coatings, like thin layers of carbon or nitride, that shield the platinum particles without blocking the fuel and air access too much. They're also replacing the standard carbon supports with stronger materials like graphitized carbons, carbon nanotubes, or even non-carbon supports that resist corrosion much better. Making sure the catalyst particles stick strongly to their support and even confining them within tiny pores also helps prevent them from detaching or clumping together. Of course, the ultimate cost reduction would be to get rid of platinum altogether. There's a huge push to develop catalysts free of platinum group metals, often using transition metals like iron or cobalt, embedded in nitrogen-doped carbon structures. These are showing promise, but getting them to be as durable as platinum in the long run is still the main hurdle. Hybrid approaches are also being explored, combining small amounts of platinum with these PGM-free materials to try and get the best of both worlds. Looking ahead, the field is moving fast. Advanced synthesis methods, powerful tools to watch degradation happen in real time, and even machine learning are accelerating the discovery of better catalysts. Strategies like alloying, nanostructure control, protective coatings, advanced supports, and these novel embedded scaffolds are all contributing. These innovations are critical if we want PEMFCs to become widespread, especially for demanding uses like heavy-duty trucks that need very long operational lives. The journey towards tougher, cheaper, and longer-lasting fuel cells is well underway, paving the path for a cleaner energy future. Thanks for tuning in.